The Sony Xperia 17 is here, and it looks very much like its predecessor. The Sony Xperia 17 comes in 3 colors: slate black, moss green, and orchid purple. The phone is IP68 water and dust tight, and has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and GG Victus on the back. A triple camera system on the back, but it's still bringing key improvements. But the same exact sensor sizes and resolution as the Xperia 16, 52MP main camera, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 12MP telephoto. The microphone has shifted closer to the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Xperia 17 pack a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 12 to 16GB RAM options along with 256GB and 512GB storage. The screen is reportedly the same 6.5-inch display, side fingerprint sensor. Screen will have slightly thicker bezels than before. The Xperia 17 has retained a 5000 mAh battery with 30W charging. It will start shipping in June, priced at €1,499. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.